Hello, everyone well? So, long time now I remain you waiting for any new videos. So, all it's over after long vacation, after long time I am again back, and today we are all again going to do something fun. And what is the fun we are going to do? We are going to do playing with numbers. Isn't it? Very interesting. You will see. Very interesting. We will do playing with numbers with 2-digit numbers. And it will make you fun. It will give you fun and you will be happy to do sums. You know na, I make you happy to do sums. I don't make you frightened with showing terrible sums. Oh, maths. I don't make you frightened. I rather make you happy while doing sums, as sums for us is a game. Isn't it? So let's start our today's game, playing with numbers. So let's start our video playing with numbers. I hope everyone can see the board totally. And before starting, what should we do? We should know at first the definitions of playing with numbers. So see, playing with numbers, what does it help? It helps to learn and write 2-digit number in generalized form. So what is then the formula? Then the formula is 10a plus b. Now why 10? 10a? Here 10 is representing our tens place. You know now, while writing 2-digit number, we use ones tens and another is our ones number. So here in 10a plus b, 10 is showing our tens number and b is showing the ones number, where a is any digit from 1 to 9 in the tens place and b is any digit of the ones place from 0 to 9. Now to understand how we are applying this formula, see, I have written number 47. Now 47, how does it comes? Our formula is 10a plus b. 10a plus b, then 10a for here we are considering, since we know that a should be from 1 to 9, here in 47 our a is 4. So 10a here 4, and what is our b? 7. So 10a, that means 10 into 4 plus b is 7. So 10 into 4, that means 40 plus 7, it becomes 47. Is it okay? Now see in 54. Here 5 is our A, and what is our B? Number 4 is our B. So 54, what is it showing? That 10A, that means 10 into 5, and B is 4, that means 50 plus 4, 54. Lastly, one more, see, 80 equals to 10 into 8. Here A is 8, and what is our B? 0. Since any digit of ones place from 0 to 9. Have you seen in the formula? So here our in 80 the B is 0. So 10 into 8 plus 0, that means 80 plus 0, 80. Okay. So let's see. I have now given here one more sum, and let's read the problem. What it is given? The sum of the digits of a number is 11, and the difference between the number and that form by reversing the digits is 45. Now we have to find the 2-digit number. So at first write formula of the 2 digits number. So at first we should write the formula. What is the formula of the 2 digits number? You remember na? 10a plus b, where a is our 10 digit unit and b is our 1 digit unit. Okay. Now we will formulate equations. as what we get from the question, that read the first line, the sum of the digit of a number is 11. So now form the first equation. Equation number 1, a plus b, since the sum of the digits, not the number, sum of the digits. And what are the digits? A and b is our digits. So we are adding a plus b, and what as per the sum is given, that the sum of the digits is 11. So a plus b equals to 11. Now let make one value from this equation. B equals to 11 minus a. We are getting one value here. Now again read the rest of the sums given. So what it is given? The difference between the number and that formed by reversing the digits is 45. So as per the given sum problem, the second equation will be 10a plus b as the number formed, that is 10a plus b, and the difference of reversing the digits. So we are reversing 10b, and what we are reversing? Here we are reversing 10a plus b, as it is given here that reversing the digit is 45. So 10b plus a. So the difference 10a plus b minus 10b plus a equals to 45. Okay, you understood this equation? So now solve this equation. Now 10a plus b, and from here the 10b plus a, it will come from the bracket, first bracket, and what will happen? It will change the symbol. It is in inside the first bracket, so it is positive, and outside there is negative symbol. So now it becomes minus 10b, and here plus, and here outside is minus, then plus minus minus. So minus a, what we get? 10a plus b minus 10b minus a equals to 45. It is given here now that the difference reversing the digits is 45. So now solve it. Now what do we get? 9a, here 10a and minus a, so 9a. Now plus b minus 10b, which one is greater? 10b is greater, so symbol minus, and what is the difference? 9. So 9a minus 9b equals to 45. Now what should we do? We are going to put the value of b, what we have get from the equation 1, that b equals to 11 minus a. I am putting here 9a minus 9, here putting the value 11 minus a. See, I have clearly mentioned here, since b equals to 11 minus a, putting the value. Now again solve this portion. 9a minus 9 into 11, 99, and here minus 1 inside, outside minus, and minus minus, what happens? Symbol change, plus, then 9 into a, 9a. Okay, 9a minus 99 plus 9a equals to 45. Now add this one, 9a plus 9a, 18a, minus 99 equals to 45. Now rest of the thing I am continuing, since there is no place in the board. I am now rubbing it off. This much portion is okay now. So let's do the rest of the portion. So let's continue up to where we have come. From equation 2, we derived that the number and its difference by interchanging the number is 45, and we have got that by solving and putting the value of b. We got 18a minus 99 equals to 45. This much we have got. Now what should we have done? We have taken 9 common. Now taking 9 common, what we get? 9 2s are 18. So in the first bracket we have put 2a. From 18a we got by taking common 9 2a, and from 99 we have taken 9 common. So what we get? 11. So 9 in the bracket 2a minus 11. And what in 45 we have get? It will remain same. Now both side we are getting one common digit. number we are taking 9 and 45, it can be divided by 45, can be divided by 9. So we have deducted 9 from 45. What we get? 5. 9 5s are 45. That's why we have deducted this one. Now what becomes our equation? What is the solve? 2a minus 11 equals to 5. Now 2a equals to 5 minus 11 is changing its side, and now it becomes plus 11. So 5 plus 11, it becomes 16. Now therefore lastly solve 2a equals to 16, that is a equals to 16 by 2. Now 2 8 is 16. So by cutting we get finally the value of 8. So for our 2-digit number 10a plus b, we got a 8. Now we have to find out what? Our b, that is the ones unit. Now putting the value of a in this first equation derivative, b equals to 11 minus a. What we found? B equals to 11 minus a, that means 11 minus 8, that means b equals to 3. Therefore, what lastly we have done? See, the 2-digit number is, we are putting the values 10a plus b, where a is 8 and b is 3. So 10 into 8 plus 3, that means 10 8s are 80 and plus 3, that is 83. So finally by solving according to the problem deriving from two equation, we finally got the value that the 2-digit number is 83. Okay. So you have seen how easily we have solved the problem of 2 digits number. No problem now. Just follow the main formula, that is 10a plus b, and do according to the given problem. Whatever it's given, just formulate equations and then solve it. That's so simple, and in this simple way, just by following, we got 2 digits number, and it's really fun now, just playing with numbers, as it's given the name that playing with numbers. We are doing only games and forming equations and solving it. We finally got our 2 digits number and the answer. So let's do another one so that you will have no more confusion regarding that. So let's see the second sum. What its problem given? The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 12 and the number is 6 times the unit digits. So we have to find out the 2-digit number. So as per the formula, at first write the formula of 2-digit number is 10a plus b. That much you have known now. Now see what is the first sum is written here. The sum of the 2 digit of a 2-digit number is, the sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 12. So now form the equation 1. Equation 1, a plus b, since the digits are a or b. So a plus b and its sum is 12. This is the given equation. So from here we derive b equals to 12 minus a. It becomes our first equation. Now what is given in the next line? The number is 6 times the unit digit. So the number, that means 10a plus b, that is our number. Now see, you have written here. So 10a plus b, it's given that 6 times the unit digit. And what is our unit digit? Since a is our 10th digit and b is our unit digit, so b is the 10th unit digit and it would be 6 times as per the equation 2. So equation 2, 10a plus b equals to 6b, 6 times b. Now solve it. So by solving it, what do we get? 10a plus b and minus 6b. We have here what have done? We have just put the left hand side, right hand side to the left hand side. We have brought all the values in one side. So now we are solving this one. 10a plus b minus 6b equals to 0. Now solving this, which one is the greater b? Minus 6b. Now, so symbol will be minus, and 6 minus 1, 5. So 10a minus 5b equals to 0. Now taking 5 as common number, what do we get? 5 2s are 10. So in first bracket 2a minus b since 1. So we are writing only b. So now we have got that 5 is common, 2a minus b equals to 0. So what we are doing? We are just dividing the 0 divided by 5, which 5 we have taken common. So 0 by 5, 0 divided by 5, what happens? Anything number divided by 0, it comes 0. So now 2a minus b equals to 0. Now what we have done in this stage, we have put the value of b. And what we have got from the first equation, value of b equals to 12 minus a. So see, now we have put the value 2a minus, what is the value? 12 minus a. Now solve it. 2a minus 12, then minus and plus. Minus minus plus. Do you know this, na? Symbol changes when minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So here 2a minus 12 plus a equals to 0. Now 2a plus a, then 3a and minus 12. I am putting this in the right hand side. So 3a equals to 12. Now solving it, a equals to 12 divided by 3, and by solving it we get a equals to 4. This much is clear. Now what we are doing, see, we are now just putting the values in the equations. We have already get a equals to 4. Now we are putting the value of a in the first equation, b equals to 12 minus a. So b equals to 12 minus a, that means a is 4. Here we have got, so 12 minus 4, 8. Therefore the 2-digit number is 10a plus b. It's the formula, na? You have know it here. Now see, that 2-digit number 10a plus b, that means here a is 4 and b 8. So 4 and 8. So therefore 10 into 4, 40, and 8, therefore 48. The 2-digit number is 48. So our sum is solved. So isn't it so fun? It's so easy. Just doing the formulas and just solving according to the formulas. By remembering the formula, we can make any sum just a fun. No worry, no nothing. Not to worry that, oh, it's how could we do this thing? I am here, your Chandrima Banerjee is here, and I am explaining you all the problems, then solving it for you. So see these problems how I am solving. Now try it by yourself, and I hope that everyone can do it. Just follow the rules. In that way, just form the equations, then solve them. Everything will be very clear. Okay, so try. At first see the video, then try your problems. If any problem, just comment in the section that what is your problem. Then I give you promise that I will solve it for you. So don't worry. And what you should do, you just subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Is it no more red, na? If it is red, just now do it. Just now press the subscribe button, and now press the bell button, so that all my notifications you will get, and no more there will be delayed in giving my videos. So just do, and I'll be here to solve for you and help you. Okay, till then